Okay, so my topic is loci rolling circles. So for this example, so we're given the circle, and so point P, we're asked to plot the locus of point P as it rotates clockwise, a full rotation along this fixed line here. So just a helpful resource for this is the use of templates. So I have obviously my template here, and it's the same as our circle used here. And I just want to show quickly, just with this using tape as an example. So if we were to look down, this is what we're going to see as the circle. So if I just use this as an example, so if you look down on top of it, what we're actually trying to do is plot this point P as it rolls a full rotation and finishes there. And like you see, we end up with P there again. So what we're going to do is, so we're going to use our template with our point P marked. We're going to put it over our other circle. So what we want to do is plot this point P as it rotates clockwise along this fixed line. So I have my center and my points. My circle is divided up into 12 equal parts. So as I roll this clockwise, so I have point 1 along point 1 and point C on the center point. So I plot my point P and then I rotate again clockwise. This gives me point P on 2. I repeat this process for each one of our divisions. Center point on C4. 5. So we've half a rotation done now. So point P is undergone half rotation. So we have the path of one rotation. So now we want our other half to give us the full rotation of point P. The use of a template helps students understand and visualize the point P as it rolls. So you can plot each different section, and which gives you the path of point P. And then finally, we end up with point P back as point P1. So all we need to do then is just join up our points. So we've each one of our locus point plotted. So all we want to do then now, I've only drawn this in rough. But that gives us our locus of our point P.